If you want to add your weather station to the Ambient Weather network, open the app and tap the menu icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Then select the Devices tab. Under Connect Your Device, enter the MAC address from your weather station console. The MAC address is a number-letter combination separated by colons. Depending on your model, this number can be found on the back of your console or through the AWNet Setup app. After you enter your unique MAC address, it should say, "Looks good." If it says, "Invalid MAC," this indicates that this weather station has already been registered to another account and will need to be removed from the other account before proceeding. Now click Next. You can also give your weather station a name. It defaults to My Weather Station if you choose not to name it. For the location, you can either type in a street address or tap the Find My Location button. After that, you may use the barometer value from the closest official weather station to adjust the offset of the barometer in your console. You can also set the time zone here. Finally, you can decide to share your weather station data with our active community and populate your station on the main weather map. After making all your selections, click Create. You should now see a device card for your station. If your station is connected to the internet, you should now be able to proceed to the dashboard and view your data. Don't forget to download the AWN app for free on iOS or Android to monitor your weather on the go.